Guys, last class ICT chapter 1.1 I covered. I think everyone going that video once. If anyone not going through, then please go through and asking me questions. Okay. So first chapter I covered what is computer, who is the father of computer, and what is the difference between man and computer. Everything deeply I just explained on the my first video. So here I am here to cover today is the second topic. What is the strength of a computer? Many strengths are there for that computer, so that you are using widely computer. So if we are going to back 20 to 30 year back, then there is no computer, then all the today means how technology is improved, these all improvement not was not there on the back 20 to 30 year. So now everything is developed, our education, healthcare, pharmacy, in our sports field, every field it's developed today because of some many strengths are there in computer. So first strength if we discuss, then speed. So computer is more speed than human beings. So first strength is speed. Computer works fastly. Okay, so first strength of computer is speed. So second strength of computer is accuracy. It never be wrong. Computer never be wrong. If computer did any wrong output, then that means human being did some setting mistakes. Okay, so computer never be wrong. Maybe human being wrong, but computer never be wrong. So first point is speed. Second point is accuracy. Then third point is storage. Computer storage means computer can contain huge amount of storage. It can contain bulk amount of data. Means our 20 to 30 year back, people are using register for storing student information. They're just a simple note and pen, everything they are just using. But now these are database is there. That database contain lots and lots information. You never will believe how much information they are storing right now. So third point is storage. First is speed, second one is accuracy, and third is storage. No need to remind everything. Just from my tutorial only, just remind it. Speed, okay, accuracy, third one is storage. Okay, so fourth point is versatility. Versatility means computer work multiple tasks with one skill. Computer can work multiple tasks with one skill. So fourth point is covered. Fifth point is diligence. It never get tired. Computer never get tired. Anyone see computer say you I am bored, I am not able to work anymore? No. So computer never be tired. If you are working 24/7 also, computer will work. It's not an issue, but if you work more, then your system going to die directly. So just give some rest. But computer never ask to give me like a human being asking working after 8 hours, they are not able to work. But not like computer work 24/7. Okay, so this is the one more strength is diligence. And last one is multitasking. Computer can work multitasking. You can sing, you can listen music, you can in PowerPoint you can design things, and at a time you can sharing your information, you can chatting with your friend, and in notepad you can storing some you can writing something, you can note it down somewhere something, you can play video games, everything you can do in one time. Okay, so these six strength computer having, those are just remind all guys, just remind. First one is speed, second one is accuracy, third one is storage, fourth one is diligence, fifth one is multitasking, sixth one is versatility. Okay, so these points I think everyone clear, and please watch one more time, just point down and just try to remind now only. Any doubt, just comment me below. Bye bye, take care.